Imagine setting foot where few have ever walked. Remote islands, sculpted by relentless wind and sea, alive with rare wildlife and pristine wilderness. Welcome to the subantarctic Auckland Islands, a hidden gem nestled deep in the Southern Ocean. Here, ancient volcanic cliffs tower above turquoise coves, while lush, moss-draped forests provide sanctuary to some of the world's rarest and most elusive birds. The islands are a vital refuge for the enigmatic yellow-eyed penguin and the majestic southern royal albatross, offering visitors a rare front-row seat to nature's most extraordinary spectacles. Expedition cruises bring intrepid travelers ashore, where every hike unveils dramatic vistas, dense fern groves, and haunting relics of long-lost shipwrecks. You'll feel the thrill of discovery as you traverse flower-filled tundra and watch sea lions bask lazily on black sand beaches. The island's profound isolation has preserved their wild character, and their unique culinary traditions, too. Savor locally inspired dishes featuring wild-caught seafood and native herbs, expertly prepared by chefs aboard expedition vessels. For those seeking adventure, tranquility, and an intimate glimpse of nature at its purest, the Auckland Islands offer an unforgettable journey into a world few have seen.